Hey, this is Sue Turung here from Commercial Finance Experts Academy with David Monteith. We're at our Chilliwack site today. It looks like the second house is coming up fine, and lockup's going to be today. That means from the bank, from this moment onward, the money's coming from the bank.
That's right.
This is cool. Anyhow, the reason why I'm down today is I brought two investors down with me today, and we'll be looking around about Chilliwack and see about opportunity. The coolest thing that I like in commercial financing, in commercial, is that we are after the same thing.
Yeah.
How to make more money, right? For our investors, and as well as for us, right?
Yes.
So we can find a way for them to make more money. They're just down here from
way.
us, right? They're sitting there waiting for me in the car now. is that we find another way today, because we came here and talked to one of the general contractor about the site, and he showed us right across the street, duplex house, and there's another lot down there right next to the duplex. Is for sale. Now, those are like 10,000 square feet lot. What do you think the opportunities for that, David?
Opportunity is huge.
Huge, right?
Big duplexes there.
You can build a massive duplex there, and since it's very close to the core, downtown core, rental is not going to be an issue.
Right.
Period. Whatsoever.
Nice quiet street.
Yep.
Park just across the lane
Yep.
in the back.
Yeah, and that's right. Right behind there is the park. Right. Kids can watch from this house. Can be watched by the parent from this house, and they have no problem in investing or buying something or renting even, right? So possibly, knocking down and building a 4-unit duplex is not a bad idea. But apparently from speaking with the general contractor, that the rezoning process on it is pretty quick in Chilliwack, and it costs maybe $5,000-$6,000 to get the rezoning done. So if you purchase that lot, it's a 10,000 square feet lot, it looks perfectly square, subdivide in half, you can still build a nice house on it, and the lot alone easily can be worth 50 grand more without even building anything on it.
Easily.
Right? So it costs $500K, for example, if we negotiate, when we negotiate this price down to the confirmed price, that's going to put that lot to be $500,000 plus zoning, say 10 grand total.
Sure, the outside.
So 550, 560, sell it at who knows, 300,000 each, that's 600,000. Right? Sure. Not make a lot of money, but you're not doing anything either.
That's right. A little bit of paperwork.
Yeah. But if you do want to build it up and convert into this full-size house that Dave and I are on the construction site here, is that this property is being listed for what, $679?
The one down at the end, 679.
$679. Oh, this one here next door is listed for $689, which is belong to another investor of ours that decided to go in together with us, right? Joint venture here. And these two properties are going to sell easily, $689, $699. We estimated the performance based on 6 months ago. 6 months ago, we're expecting to sell at $629. $629. Now they're listing for $689. That's like $60,000 increase. We were expecting a $50,000 profit. Now we're probably looking at $110,000. Not so shabby, right? So this is about the real estate, and I love it being down here. David, you're in Chilliwack and Abbotsford area, man. This is ripe for opportunity wherever you go, right?
Absolutely.
Right.
Oh, if you want to do a little development, this is the place to do it.
Yeah.
There's lots of available land and good trades.
Yeah. And I always use a white guy like this to come around because they're more friendly than the Asian guys and knocking the door about asking them to buy their places. They prefer one on arm and leg from Asian investors rather than some guy who's
Some poor white guy.
some poor white guy. So get some of those poor white guys on your team so they can help you out. Oh, anything but poor, man. You're high quality. You're on your way to the top, my friend.
All right.
I think the opportunity here is great, but even if we build a duplex lot there, that's like 4 units for rent. I mean. He says it's going to cost like maybe 100, 110 per square feet.
Yeah.
5,000 square feet is going to cost about 600-ish,
A little less than that, yeah.
right? 600-ish, 500,000 for a lot, $1.1 million. All right. When it's finished, it'd be nice. If a duplex with 5,000 square feet, that's like $2,500 per side.
Yep.
$1,250 per level. Rent's going to be what? Easy $1,500 to $2,000.
Easily. Upstairs will go for more if it's 3 bedrooms upstairs. You
Yep.
get $2,200 for rent upstairs.
So roughly 33 grand, $3 grand per side.
Well, at least, yeah.
$3
more
grand per
35.
side, right? $6,000. that's gonna easily make $2,000 to $3,000 gross profit a month.
Yeah.
Good investment. I don't know. Chilliwack, guys. All right, check around. The commercial units being built down there, right about. Let's see, on that side. The commercial unit there is going to be. I was told by Stuart, right? That another realtor here in Chilliwack. That's going to be built, and it's going to be about $1.2 million to build. Cost to build. Be 5 residential unit and 3 commercial units. That place is the lot was selling for $700K. So no, he said it wasn't going to be that much. It's going to be about 8,000 square feet plus 7, so $1.5 million total.
Yep.
$1.5 million total. He's got 3 commercial units plus 5 residential. I don't know about you, but that sounds like a cash flow king of a deal.
Make good money. That's a great location for it.
I'm looking forward to get perform on that, and I'll first share with everybody in the Facebook community and the perhaps even in the YouTube about the deal. Next deal is coming down the pipeline. Join us for the next joint venture. Are you in?
I'm in.
All right, Dave's in. All right, nice talking to you guys. Hope you learned something today about this video. It's all about JV and about opportunities that exist here in either residential or commercial. Look outside of your city, my friend. Don't be stuck with Vancouver. Don't be stuck with Burnaby or Surrey. All right. This is way out of my area, Chilliwack, right? This is in your backyard.
Hey, it's in the 604 area.
There you go. Yeah. And look forward to seeing you next video. Take care, guys. Have a good day.